You know that feeling at the start of gardening season? That mix of pure excitement and, let's be honest, a little bit of panic? Well, if you've been there, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to take a tour of a really powerful tool that's designed to tame all that chaos, the You Plant It Digital Garden Planner. I mean, does the start of every season feel just a little chaotic? You've got seed packets all over the table, a half-baked plan sketched on a napkin, and a million questions running through your head. When do the tomatoes go in? What on earth can I plant next to the peppers that won't get eaten by bugs? It is a lot to juggle. Well, what if you could swap all that chaos for some actual clarity? That's really the big promise of YouPlanet. It's an all-in-one digital planner that's built to bring some order, some data-driven smarts, and a little bit of tech magic right into your garden. All right, let's dive in. Here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll see how it takes you from chaos to control. Then, we'll look at building a blueprint for your garden. After that, we'll explore the Smart Planting Calendar. We'll also meet your new digital assistant, and finally, see how you can track and even share everything you grow. Okay, first up, moving from chaos into control. We're going to see how this tool just fundamentally changes the game. It takes gardening from a world of guesswork and, crossing your fingers to a structured, solid plan, basically giving you a digital green thumb. Now, every great garden starts with a great plan, right? And that plan isn't just about what you're going to plant, but where you're going to plant it. So let's look at how YouPlanet helps you create a really precise blueprint of your growing space, thinking about two absolutely critical things, your space and your sunlight. And this is where things get really cool, because you can see how two key features work together. So over on the left, you've got the Garden Layout Builder. You can actually map out your raised beds or containers to scale. Then just drag and drop your plants to get the spacing perfect. But then look at the right. That's the Sun Map. This is brilliant. It uses satellite imagery of your actual address to show you the sun's path across your yard on any day of the year. So no more guessing which spots get that all-important 6+ hours of sun. Okay, so you've planned out your space, but as any gardener will tell you, timing. Timing is everything. So next up, let's see how the planner answers that huge question of when to plant with its smart calendar. And this is where the magic really kicks in. Based on your specific growing zone, the planner automatically creates this entire timeline for your season. Let's just take broccoli, for example. It tells you the exact window to start your seeds inside, when to transplant them out, and it even projects your harvest window. And it does this for every single crop all season long in one super clear view. Okay, so you know where to plant and when to plant, but there's another big question, isn't there? What do you plant next to what? Who are the friends and who are the enemies in the plant world? Well, the planner solves this with its companion planting guide. You just pick a plant, in this case we've got basil, and boom, it instantly gives you a list of its best buddies, like tomatoes and peppers. But it doesn't just tell you what, it tells you why, that it repels aphids and even improves tomato flavor. It takes all this ancient gardening wisdom and makes it instantly useful. So, your plan is all set. Now we're shifting from planning to actually doing, because a garden is never a set it and forget it kind of thing. This next set of tools basically acts as your personal gardener's assistant, helping you manage, track, and troubleshoot the whole season. Every successful gardener keeps records, and the Digital Garden Journal just makes this totally effortless. You can log observations, track what you've done, add photos, and you end up creating this rich history of your garden's life. And as we can see in this entry from March 31st, the weeds are coming. You can document the good times and the struggles, a feeling I think we can all relate to. So let's imagine you're writing a journal entry and you spot a problem. Your tomato leaves are starting to turn yellow. In the past, that meant hours of frantic Googling, reading conflicting advice. So what's the modern solution? You just turn to the Plant Doctor AI. Honestly, this feature is a total game changer. You snap a photo of the sick plant, you upload it, and the AI helps figure out what's wrong and recommends how to fix it. It is literally like having a plant expert on call 24/7. And to make sure you never miss a critical task, the app helps you stay ahead of the curve. You can set up custom alerts for everything from starting seeds indoors to transplanting. And maybe most important of all, it keeps an eye on your local weather and sends out critical frost advisories, giving you the heads up you need to go out and protect your plants. And all that planning, all that care brings us to the best part, the harvest. It's time to enjoy the fruits and the vegetables of all your labor. So let's look at how the app helps you track your success and even share the bounty. So what does success look like? Well, it can look like this. 19 pounds of fresh produce. And the beauty of this is, it's not a guess. It's logged, it's tracked, and it's a super satisfying concrete result of all your hard work. And that number comes from, right here, the season dashboard. This is basically your command center for results. It tracks your total harvest weight, how many different varieties you grew, and hey, if you sell at a market, it can even track your gross revenue. It's a really powerful way to see the outcome of your entire season.
And here's a really crucial detail. All the core features we just walked through are completely free to use. There are paid options if you want to upgrade, but the core planner is free. And the platform goes a step further. If you end up with, way more zucchini than any one family can handle, you can connect to the You Plant It Farm network to sell your extra produce or even donate it.
This really says it all, doesn't it? It's the whole philosophy behind You Plant It. It proves that technology doesn't have to be complicated or get in the way. When it's designed this well, it can actually be the most powerful tool in your shed, helping you turn one tiny seed into a garden that really, truly thrives.
So this leaves us with one final thought. By putting a planner this smart right in your hands, the question isn't just about what you can grow anymore, it's about what your garden can become. With the right tools, what amazing things could you create? Thanks so much for joining me on this tour.